Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about how to get the day of the week from the date in JavaScript. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to accepting one of the date and let's have a look on that. Let's go and just check it out with the new date parameter. So here we have the new date. If you want to get the day, you need to use date dot get day. Okay. So it will return. Let me reload again. Okay, zero means Sunday, right? So date dot get day will return the values from 0 to 6. 0 means Sunday, 1 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, according to it. So if you want to I want like Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday like this, so you have to do something like this. Okay, so here we have to define this like this one, and you will print out the date, this one. Okay, so let me go and just copy this one and enter over here. Okay, and let's have a look. So here you can see that it is Sunday. So okay, so what I do, I have taken the array, okay, where I have put in out like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, and days of the week, I will just add that day dot get day. Okay, so it should be the index like 0 1 2 3 4, whatever the index is coming up, it will give you that day. Okay, if I here I will just put 1 2 3 4, so it will print any of them. So by default, when we add date dot get day, it always give you the values of 0 1 2 3, and we will just match it we will get the index of what exactly it is, and we'll print the that date of the week. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.